Well, for me, the experience is amazing. I feel it very powerful and very simple. And I understood that the only thing that we need is to be more confident with ourselves. Just trust us, and then the rest will flow. I think that this is the most important. And I understood that I am on the right way, on correct way, and I need to follow it. That's all.
I'm really, really happy. It was beyond expectations, and you know, it was a beautiful energy that we could create, and the flow was from beginning to end beautiful, and to bring you to this point of wanting to work with crystals is just like, thank you. I was as much fascinated by them as I was intimidated by them. So this course has brought completely the whole thing into a real big picture, because now I can't wait to start working with them. And I have a whole collection of, I wear them because they attract me. It's the color, it's the shape. Today I put this one on, but never this kind of respect and intimidation. I don't have it anymore. So it's a beautiful way to, bring you to the point of understanding crystals and really wanted to tune in with them and see much more. Highly recommended. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, because it was really wonderful. Too short.
We all, I think, feel on a spiritual level what is taught here. I think we all know the love that is taught here and that you can then just freely express. So I would say to anybody looking into it, go for it, just go for it, it's amazing. More people like whoever is interested are needed in the world right now, so bless you.
The course was excellent because you are such a great people, and I wish to learn about the pure energy healing. I saw my daughter Amadea, how she grow, yes, and I just imagine, oh, I wish to know something, I wish to know something. But when we came here in Spain, and you gave us such a great opportunity to meet this course, I was the happiest in the world. I learned a lot, but I must just do the job and practice, and I think we will meet again.